Winnie come back from Jakarta last night, so you can expect that we're gonna film together over the weekend. So happy days. I know many of you missed Winnie on the videos. Also another thing is, as I'm in Sanur right now, so it's very hot, sun is over there. I'm gonna hit now into Maya direction, hotels like Maya, Andas, Hyatt, and I'm gonna come back into the same way where I'm standing now next to the Lila Pantai. So there is the another construction just behind, is going on. Yesterday I was putting the concrete here. However, I will talk about this one at the end of the video because, well, the sun is very sharp and I cannot face east, I have to face the west. So also I didn't make a video last night for today, what I usually doing, you know, like afternoon time for upcoming days. So today I have to make two videos for you guys. One is now, right now, at Friday morning in Sanur, and afternoon, after I edit video, having a lunch, I'm gonna go somewhere and make another video. So happy days. Only bad thing is, as it's already 8:40 at morning, it's very hot. Sun is very high, so it's a little bit hard to making good shots. And I have a problems to wake up at morning nowadays. I don't know why it's like that. It's some sort of early stage of something, whatever you call it. No, I don't think so. It's depression or something. However, well, it's very hard for me to get up before 8. Unbelievable. Never had like this before. So getting old or something. Also last night my flight by AirAsia to Bangkok was rescheduled from the 1st of September. Actually, they changed 2 hours. The flight is delayed 2 hours and they let me know. But thanks to that, as they reschedule it and still it's like 2 weeks before my flight, I have a chance and rights to, you know, reschedule the flight completely. So now I'm thinking either you guys wanna me to go with Winnie to Jakarta and you are interested to see something from Jakarta. Probably I will make 3 videos in Jakarta. Or maybe instead of going to Jakarta on 23rd, I will just straightforward go to Bangkok. And I'm gonna be in Bangkok like a week earlier, so I'm still thinking about that. I've been in Jakarta 2 times, so I'm just asking you seriously, guys, would you be interested to see something from Jakarta or just rather straightforward go to Thailand? Let me know. Anyways, I just arrived to the Maya Sanur, Maya hotel in Sanur. There is like a construction going on the promenade. I'm gonna show you a little bit from the hotel and the area around, because I didn't vlog too often over here actually, so why not? Now it's breakfast time, so people enjoying their breakfast in Maya. And of course, Maya hotel is also refurbished, so overall situation looks like this one. At morning is the high tide. Construction of the promenade is still ongoing. There are some people already enjoying their pool. And there is some guy trying to sell you some offers going to islands like Nusa Penida or something. Yeah, so next to the Sea View Beach Hotel. Hello, boss. But not so friendly, and I didn't want to buy anything, so keep it in mind. Sometimes people, if you don't gonna buy something, they're not gonna even answer hello to you. So sad at morning in Sanur. Bad day. Warung Panchai. There's the place when sometimes the expats having a binge drunk afternoon. Like a very local, very cozy place. And heading now to Andas. Andas is just at the corner. Andas Hotel, the newest and the most fancy hotel in Sanur area. Still a little bit quiet by the pool at the morning, by the beach. However, first it's very hot. Second is 8:45, so it's the breakfast time. And I guess it's generally very hot. That's people enjoying the breakfast. Anyways, a very nice hotel indeed. Somebody give us the Christmas gifts here, so we used to enjoy the pool facilities and some dinner. And meanwhile, the beach situation looks like this one. Very nice, but however, today is the high tide. We used to film inside the Andas Gardens and review this restaurant at least 2 times. So if you're interested how does it look inside, you can watch our previous videos. One is from Christmas 2021 and the previous one is somewhere like when they opened. So pretty old videos, however, still good quality. And next to it is Hyatt, and that's the Hyatt Gardens. More people walking, passing by actually, and there at the front is some yoga by the beach. So some people enjoying their yoga activities by the beach, local, foreigner, international, so very nice indeed. And meanwhile, very peaceful walk at morning next to the Hyatt. And also this lady, I think she's doing TikTok or some sort of dancing. At least she's enjoying her life to the fullest, that's for sure. And this is a little bit of the old gardens of Hyatt. They keep the original wall from the 1980s. and of course people mostly walking and jogging by the beach on the new promenade at morning. It's actually very nice to driving bicycle or walking here right now. Also the one lane is dedicated also for walking, and another lane is dedicated only for the cyclist. However, well, sometimes they're mixing somehow. Don't ask me how and why, but that's how does it look like. Anyways, gardens of the Hyatt are actually very nice, especially this old wing over here with the old wall and the trees. Also, somebody last time commented as the motorbikes should be prohibited from driving around this promenade. Most of the people don't driving over here. However, sometimes some locals driving. Well, not much I can do with that. However, I agree with shouldn't be like that. But mostly also you have to think as these people who are driving, passing by, they deliver something to their local warung. So they have no other access but like just passing the promenade. So always was like this, and this is like a construction's mistakes, I could say, as there is no access from the street. Next, Hyatt swimming pool area. We used to vlog here recently, about 2 weeks ago. One guy is working on his laptop and sunbathing. Actually is very hot. I don't think so I could ever do like that. However, some people like it. You can let me know if you would like to work in the heat by the beach like this one. Because for me, from my point of view, it's just too hot. But I mean, some people, they consider that as this is working from paradise, as the dream. As you are sitting on the beach with your laptop in the 30-degree heat at morning and you are working. However, not for me. However, if you like it, let me know. I just wonder if that's really true or it's just Instagram stories saying like that. There is a little bit of the empty land. Just behind this wall is the Hyatt Regency, and you can have water sports here. These ladies who try to sell you something, mostly jet skis or kayaking or something like that. And there are even some local warung and some people trying to waiting for something already. And then at the front you have a famous La Playa. Characteristic place here, very popular through the expats who are living in Sanur. Not so busy at morning, however afternoon very busy indeed. So like I said, jet skis, here is like a little surf shop, new place, seagrass actually since 2019. You can also enjoy your coffee over here. Here supposed to be like a local warung some time ago. However, they changed it into the coffee shop. And over here is already the beginning of the huge construction. So they put actually pretty big piece of the concrete. I spoke yesterday, I had a coffee somewhere here around, and I spoke with the waiter, and she said as every warung in this corner gonna have exactly the same place, the dedicated place for the tables by the beach. So because previously every restaurant had a different space, now everyone will have the same. It's gonna be nice concrete and similar style. So they're not gonna be, as you work, every restaurant is totally different. Everybody have a different concept, different vision. Everybody will have similar. So it's gonna look like a very nice passage of the restaurants and the bars by the beach. So that's pretty cool. That's Omba at morning and the construction ongoing on. Meanwhile, you can see how the constructions like this one in Indonesia looks like. Actually, these people working very fast and pretty decent, because yesterday there was just the metal and they was just putting the concrete when I was having coffee like 3 o'clock afternoon. So not so bad. And anyways, the area is popular for the restaurants over here. Lila Pantai. I was thinking to rent this one, open something like a little coffee takeaway and ice cream or something. However, is taken probably by Lila or somebody. I'm not sure actually by who, but not possible to rent. So as always, too late. And meanwhile, situation in Lila, well, as always. And this is where I started actually today's video 20 minutes ago over here. And there is the tour guy already come back. Also over there is one restaurant. Okay, I'm gonna show you a little bit. And after this one is Intercontinental Hotel. So this part actually starting from Intercontinental up to the Hyatt. Hyatt Regency is like a strip with so many restaurants. Probably one of the best strip in Sanur for the dining and coffee and stuff like this. This one is one of the restaurants, and there is Intercontinental. Where is the security guy already? not a big fan of the intercontinental group. However, the people, many of you guys enjoying intercontinental. There is the breakfast time, actually quite busy, I could say. That was a little video from Sanur. I know, like I said, some of you guys don't really like Sanur, but so many of you are actually enjoying Sanur, and even I read the comments like, I have never enough of Sanur, so here we go. Anyways, I had to improvise this morning to make some video, because later I will make another one, as I said at the beginning. So anyways, lovely vibes in Sanur as always. I will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya, take care.